What is ticking off here is not the clock, it's your life.
We get one life, and every passing moment, we will never get back again. There ain't no rewind button on life.
What are you gonna do with the time you have left?
We don't know how much we have left in the future, but we do know what we've got now. And I have found the people that win are the people who make up their mind. They're not going to waste the minutes. They're going to be productive. They're going to make it happen every minute.
Stop thinking about it. Start doing it. Take that first step and make it happen.
There are ideas and accomplishments that are waiting to be discovered, that are waiting for you. Live your life. Step into your greatness. We have to be here. We have to be in it and make the most of it. We have to live our dreams now because they are possible.
I'm not going to let this opportunity slip away. I'm going to do it like this is the very last time. That's a mindset. If you decided to take the class, then take it. It's life and death. You cannot afford to be talking about it no more. Like, this is it. You got family members on the line. You got dreams on the line. You have opportunities on the line. Take advantage of the opportunity of a lifetime in the lifetime of the opportunity. You might not get that chance 2 times. You might not get it 3 times. You might not get it to do it over the 4th time. Some of you got an opportunity of a lifetime and you playing scared. Some of you got an opportunity of a lifetime and you being timid. Some of you got an opportunity of a lifetime and you waiting on it. Listen to me, you gotta impose your will. You gotta take it to them. Some stuff in life is not free. They're not giving out success, but you can earn it. You can take it. I need you to take it. Every day you wake up, there are 86,400 opportunities in a day. I need you to take advantage of it.
Being able to draw a line in the sand and say, this is f***ing it. And being able to never go back on that line. To stick through what you promise yourself. That's the difference between winners and losers. That's the difference between people who can take their life back and people who can't. They draw a fucking line and they don't cross it again. Are you the kind of person that can draw the line in the sand? Are you the kind of person who could say, this is enough? Are you the kind of person who says, I am fucking done with that and I'm gonna become what it is I know I can become? None of us were born that type of person. We want the fucking change more than the sacrifice we're going to make to get it. Draw a line in the sand. Do everything that you can to make sure you don't cross back on it. And you'll see your life change.